Hi, my name is Avery, and this book is about pig. So, that's not my pig. It's too scratchy. That's not my pig. That's too rough. That's not my pig. This bag is too smooth.
It's too rough.
It's too rough. That's not my pig. Here, that bag is scratchy.
And that's the book about the pig.
That's my pig. Is that his pig?
That's my pig. Its ears are so soft. And that's the book about the pig.